inside, pass, Romo, through the contact, and we'll go to the line to shoot 2. 13 total points between the two teams. A defensive performance for both teams. Forcing a lot of turnovers, forcing a lot of forced shots. My name's Tyson Tingyu, and I'm part of Mustang TV Sports. We put together a broadcast of the game. We have announcers, camera people, we have people who can switch the cameras, we have people who run pretty much everything that you see on the YouTube channel. We run it, just us kids, not any adults, it's just mostly us kids. I'm the announcer. I announce all the basketball games. I'm the play-by-play guy. I get the names from a roster sheet, and then I go over them, make sure I got the names, I get the starting lineups. Brittany Hill has just 5 available players for this game. Normally I'm nervous, but as soon as I get up there, I'm kind of calm. Once it starts, the nerves just go away, and I'm just going.
My name is Kenny Taylor, and I teach broadcasting and video technology here at Campbell Middle School. Being a part of this class, we learn just about everything because everything's totally student-driven. Video, production, editing, filming, telling stories, reporting. As many challenges as this pandemic has put in front of us, there have been opportunities and silver linings, because as soon as we found out that parents would not be able to attend, students would not be able to attend the games, we knew that we wanted to provide an in and a way for, our athletes to have some support, even if they can't have their fans there in the crowd. So Tyson really, stepped up his game to do his research outside of anything that I would really be able to teach him myself.
Parents who aren't able to come here, or grandparents, or people that usually would be able to come here, aren't able to come here because of COVID and that kind of thing. People want to see these kind of games and they want to watch them, and we help people do that. I'm serving the people, not myself. I'm just kind of a footnote in the background. He's explaining what's going on.